Hey, 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 the old Caddyman's here with another recipe for fall. Yes, we're into fall cooking. Well, really, I don't cook. I don't. But anyway, you're going to see me cook because I am going to learn how to cook. But not now. What I want to do today is make some pumpkin deviled eggs. Yes, these are perfect for Thanksgiving, and you can actually have those around Halloween because they're pumpkiny. So, started out with 12 boiled eggs, and I chopped up the insides of them right here. Okay, now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of pumpkin. Yes, indeedy. Okie doke. There you go. 3 tablespoons of mayo. You know how I love to say mayo. And of course, we do use olive oil or avocado mayo. It's just better for you. A tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Okay? Ta-da! 2 teaspoons of horseradish. Got to have something in there to give a little spike, you know, a little flavor, a little pizzazz. Okay, and my favorite, teaspoon of paprika. Yes, indeedy. You know how I love paprika. I like actually saying it more. No, I don't. I like them both about the same. Okay? Got all that in there, and then a little salt and pepper. Salt, pepper. Now you're going to stir this all up. You're going to get it all stirred up in here. Make it all good and nice and creamy. And look at that. I'm getting that all juiced up and marinated together. Marinated? Is that a word? Okay. Mashed together, stirred together. However you want to talk about it, it's together. Now, watch this. You're going to watch me try to put this in this bag like this. This ought to be good. You know, I don't know how these pastry guys do this stuff, but they make it look easy. It is not easy. You know, most of my stuff is easy. This is just a little harder just because of the darn bag. And you try to get as much as you can out of there because you got to fill up all these eggs. Now, I could have left some of that part of the deviled egg to make and put it in food dye and make a stem out of it, but I'm not that artistic. Okay, here you go. Now, what you're going to do now is I'm going to squirt this into my deviled eggs once I get it down there, like this.
Bring the plate back.
Okay. Getting hints from my producer. Okay, now watch this. Ta-da! How about that? See how easy that is? Like I said, if the old Caddyman can do it, anybody can do it. So, be sure and try these because something's not working correctly, but try it. Just add a little love to it. Love, 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 love. Fill in all the circles and try one of these. They are amazing. As a matter of fact, I will. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come see the old Caddyman. I know you're not supposed to talk with your mouth full, but what the heck? Come see me now, you hear?